During a summer picnic, a family decides to set off some fireworks, anticipating a spectacular display. Just as they light the fuse, the firework misfires, shooting off in the completely wrong direction, narrowly missing Uncle Bob's famous barbecue. The resulting mayhem sends family members diving for cover, creating a chaotic scramble filled with laughter. Aunt Sally's shocked face, transformed into laughter as she clutches her potato salad, is a moment to remember. The firework finally bursts into a shower of colors, but it's just as the dog decides to run after it, leading to a hilarious chase between him and a bewildered Uncle Bob.